Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cake candy, step by step. First, you'll need to bake your favorite cake, like a chocolate or vanilla sponge, and let it cool completely. Once cooled, crumble the cake into fine, even pieces. Then mix these crumbs with about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of frosting until the mixture holds together. This creates the perfect base for your treats. Now that your cake mixture is ready, it's time to form the cake balls. Roll the mixture into uniform, bite-sized balls, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter. Next, dip the tip of a lollipop stick into melted candy coating and insert it about halfway into each cake ball. This helps secure the stick. Finally, chill your cake balls thoroughly for at least 30 minutes to ensure they are firm for dipping. With your cake balls chilled, it's time for the fun part, dipping and decorating. Melt your candy melts or chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl, following package instructions. Dip each cake pop into the melted coating, allowing any excess to drip off. Work quickly, as the cold cake pop will set the coating fast. Immediately decorate with sprinkles, edible glitter, or other toppings before the coating hardens. Once decorated, allow your beautiful cake pops to set completely. You can stand them upright in a styrofoam block or a tall glass to dry evenly. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes at room temperature. Once fully set, your delicious cake candy is ready to be enjoyed. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days, or in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.